We are your local heating and air conditioning specialists. Our technicians undergo continuous training and are the best in the industry. We can help with any home heating or air conditioning problem, no matter how large or small. We will arrive in a fully stocked truck so we can repair your system right the first time. We will diagnose the problem quickly and quote you the price up front so there are no surprises. All repairs to your system are guaranteed. Call now for fast, friendly service anytime, 24/7.